Starting a mini orchard. Yay! Got a really good deal on a bunch of trees. So this is the start of a little mini apple and pear orchard. The fun of hole digging begins, right, Matt? Just finished planting 14 out of the 16 trees. That was a lot of work. This soil's got a lot of clay in it. We got all kinds of varieties. We got, what is this? Yellow Delicious. Let's see, we got lots of Yellow Delicious. More Yellow Delicious, Yellow Delicious. Oh, here's something different. We got a Gala semi-dwarf. I think we had one variety called Wolf River, which I've never heard of before, so I'm not really sure. Wolf River, if anybody knows what those taste like or are like, let me know, because I've never seen those before. We got more Yellow Delicious. We got Yellow Delicious. Notice the trend. Another Wolf River. Yellow Delicious for the apple trees. For the pear trees, we have Kefir. We have Kefir. Eris. Semi-dwarf. Sorry about the focus. Not focusing. Another Eris. And one final Eris. So lots of Yellow Delicious and lots of Eris in the mini orchard. The next set of trees I want to buy, I want to get a bunch of Granny Smith because those are my favorite. But I got all 16 of these trees for right around $100. Lowe's was clearing out everything. I got 75% off. So normally $30 trees were $6. It was insane. So hopefully this spring we'll get lots of growth on these. That was a tall one. So let me know if you guys got anything to add. But we're pretty excited. We're gonna have lots of apples and pears. So see you next time.
See ya.
Woo!